Welcome back. About an hour away from the opening bells. Check futures. We are expecting a triple-digit gain at the start of trading this morning. The Dow Industrial is right now up 107. Check out the Nasdaq up 204. Interest rates, meanwhile, pulling back as we await the November Consumer Price Index out in about 7.5 minutes. This is the first inflation data piece since the government shutdown ended last month. The economists are expecting an increase of 0.3% on the CPI and a year-over-year increase of 3.1%. Joining me now is Unleash Prosperity co-founder, former Trump economic advisor, Steve Moore. Steve, good to see you. What are you going to be focused on when we get this CPI number out in 8 minutes' time? What's most important?
Well, I think 3.1% is too high. I think it will come in below that level on an annualized basis. We are seeing, prices fall in so many areas of the economy. I mean, one of the key ones, obviously, that you talk a lot about, Maria, is the gas price. I just paid $2.69 a gallon. That's a big reduction in where we were a year or 2 years ago. And by the way, energy, as you know, is the master resource. Almost everything that we consume and produce is driven by energy costs. So when those costs fall, everything else has a tendency to fall as well. We're still too high. Look, the Fed target rate on inflation is 2%. That's where we want to be. So we need to see those numbers edging down. And I think we're going to get a pretty good report when it comes out in 10 minutes.
Well, look, the president has done so much in 11 months. He talked about it last night. But what's really compelling is the speed with which he has accomplished so much in these 11 months. He has been moving fast. And yet we still have polls saying that voters are unsure. They're worried about the economy. Where do you see the trouble in terms of inflation? Is it food? Is it housing? Where still does the president have work to do, even after he's reined in inflation as much as he has?
Yeah, and by the way, people forget that, and we just did a study at this at Unleashed Prosperity. Yeah, 88.5% of the increase in prices that people are concerned about and angry about, people like my wife when they go to the grocery store. Yeah, 88.5% of that increase happened under Biden as a result of his big spending spree. Right. So, but we're still running a little too hot in inflation right now. And where is it rising? We know that housing is a problem, no question about it. Especially people in their 30s who are trying to buy their first house and can't afford it. We know that health care, by the way, this is why this health care debate we're having in Washington is so important. Obamacare has just driven those costs through the roof. And then the other one that people complain about is the price of beef and steaks and hamburger have been going up. But people, it's almost a psychological problem right now. People are looking at all the things that are going up in price, but they're not concentrating on the things that are going down in price.
All right, let's take a short break. We got to get to the CPI. It's out after this short break. Steve, stay with us. Got to get your reaction. We'll be right back.